You are not going back outside. No, you're not. You better stop talking back there.
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
Hey, no. Come on. Leave it. What is that? Is that $50? Yo.
Okay.
Where's Lucy? Phyllis, stop.
Honey, it's okay. It's okay.
As it stopped with 17 seconds to go in this first half of the match.
I don't think he wants it. Give it.
To my door now! Right fucking now!
No? Alright, that's fine. I won't give it to you. Oh.
This is my new carpet. It's new. Come on, man. No.
Tank, y'all ready to take a bath?
Let's go get a bath. Let's go get a bath. That's so.
There's nothing wrong with you. Stop.
Say, I love you.
I said no, ma'am.
You're adopted.
I gotta go. You put your paw there. I gotta go. Grandma, no.
Leo, bang. Stay. Roar!
Yeah, Jenny. Come on in. You just want.
Why you hiding? Why you in that bag?
That makes me question getting married. Can you like think of me?
Why don't you sort the holiday clothes out in the background?
How about to lock the darn door?
You need stairs.
Look at this. How in the hell did you get way up there?
Oh.
Get to another level with the iconic chocolate of Hershey's Kisses.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly.
I gotta go. You put your paw there. I gotta go.
Oh, Bonnie, come here.
Prince, look, Prince. Prince, mommy here. Oh my God.
Have you got on him? Why are you growling?
And we got a pug in the pool. We got a pug.
What you saying? Oh, boo, 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 boo. Oh, he coming.
He's gonna get mad at you, and I'm not gonna blame him, and you're gonna get in your kennel. You're gonna end up in your kennel.
Who you talking to?
Get your ass out of my dryer right now. Get out of my dryer.
You want a pet? Too bad. Lauren is the best.
World Championship season is
Did you do that? Go to kennel. Hey, kennel.
Sit. Jeez.
Like I was some criminal. You know how that made me feel?
You're adopted. Oh, shit.
What?
Did you do? You monster!
face.
It's free.